이거 유료 진짜 너무 감사하네. 야 진짜 이렇게 아 맨날 보여주니까.
Samarkand! General! Salam! Just! Samarkand! Han'ble! Just! Samarkand! आपके दर्शन के लिए हाथ रखिए वो Samarkand! बगैर Just! संतरी खड़ा रहे Samarkand! Sir! John!
यहाँ बाहर ये म्युनिसिपल कोर्ट यहाँ पर ही है और भी है फिर हमारे दो कम्प्लेक्स हो गए एक कम्प्लेक्स हमारा जो है
The judiciary stands as the guardian of justice, the protector of rights, and the pillar of democracy. As the head of our judicial system, your lordships embodies the highest principles of integrity, fairness, and dedication to the rule of law. Your leadership continues to inspire judges, lawyers, and court officers at all levels to uphold justice with unwavering commitment. Lower courts, being the first point of contact for many seeking justice, play a crucial role in ensuring the efficient and fair administration of law. We strive to carry out our duties with diligence, mindful of the responsibility we bear in shaping public confidence in the legal system. Your visit today reaffirms the importance of our role and strengthens our resolve to serve with even greater dedication, sir. I respect our learned senior bar member, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Dar Sahab, to present the bouquet to our Lord Chief Justice. Please. And also present as a token of love from Bar Association Anantnag. Please, sir. And this bar has a great history. This is the second largest bar in the valley after Srinagar. We have over here more than 600 practicing lawyers at this point of time. So the infrastructure, it is very old. It's almost 50 years old now. Now the government has taken up the land at Sarnal for construction of a new court complex, and the work is yet to start on the same. So we request your lordships to kindly make the progress very quickly on the new court complex. And since the process is done, Your Honor, we request your lordships to kindly renovate this building so that the the administration of justice is done in a proper way. And second, your lordships, an NDPS court has been sanctioned for District Bar Association Anantnag, but that's without the presiding officer. So we are facing a lot of problems. In case your lordships take note of this thing, and the presiding officer is appointed for the said court, that will be Now your lordships, we are in.
Ladies and gentlemen, in fact, last time I visited the newly, identified land, but I could not visit the court complex over here. And though I am informed that this court is always one of the biggest in the valley, then there only I thought, I will, as and when I will come to Srinagar, definitely I will visit first to this court. Today, though it's raining outside heavily. Then I thought, once I decided to, meet all of you in the court complex. So today I'm with you. It's good to see all of you. So far, the infrastructure going on, certain additional, in fact, I on the spot only instructed for a certain modification of that particular, the proposed plan. Now from High Court only, last week I cleared that also. So at an earliest, your new court complex construction will start. Even I already instructed the chief engineer, so they will definitely, initiate after, I think it will take only 10 days. So far, NDPS code, I tried my best level to fill up that posting of presiding officer, but entire Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, we have a shortage of judicial officers. So because of that reason, not only your court, there are many other districts. We have without presiding officer, even Baramulla, one district judge is having additional of 2 district courts. Likewise, many other districts also, but I am trying my best to exercise for promotion of the judicial officer. So I hope that in earliest we will have a district judges. Then only I could, post some office over here. I understand it's very difficult, for the litigants as well as the advocate also, in absence of judicial, presiding officer, because additional charge is not delivered, not only deliver, but to decide the matters, because the officer is already having a his own permanent court. So I understand this problem, and before coming to here, I was aware that this issue will raise here. So I will try my best to, earliest possible, I will post some district judge as a presiding. Remaining, yes, this is very old structure, and but once we have already, approved DPR, and the new court complex is, under construction. So we should focus for, early completion of, that new court complex. That is what, entire this UTs, my first priority would be to, consider for raising. In fact, we practice, at Jammu, and we were the bar member there also. I know him personally. Last time he was insisting to please post me from here to Jammu. So I said, so the biggest district, require your, services. So therefore you have to be in Anantnag. Though he may not like to. It's difficult, yes, definitely. I understand, judicial officer, whosoever. It's difficult to stay away from the family. It's difficult to stay away from the, own area. So, but anyhow, TK Rana is, otherwise, he can adjust wherever he will post. I know, he was my choice of amongst the officers. At my request, I posted him Kargil. There's really, because see, he is very cooperative, and not only that, he is very efficient, he is very hardworking. So you are lucky, you have a very good officer over here. And not only judicial side, administrators are also very tough. Very tough officer. So anyhow, thank you once again. So we wish our endeavor would be to at least completion of your court complex. So I'll inquire before coming over here also everything, and before coming to Srinagar, I cleared that DPR additional modification also. So जल्दी हो जाएंगे ये सारे बातें. बाकी इशू छोटा मोटा रहेंगे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का, because since we have already started the new construction, so instead of unnecessarily burdening the exchequer, and इससे तो थोड़ा सा you have to bear for sometimes couple of years you will get the new court complex. So जहाँ वहाँ पे कमी पेशी, rather we should fill up wherever lacunas in that new our DPR.
The last with CG. We are so blessed. Okay, sir. एक मिनट यार सर चलो बीच यहाँ से जा गाड़ी लाओ, हम यहाँ